Metal hammer forging, also known as manual forging or hammering, integrates the art of engraving. Metals like gold, silver, and copper are melted at high temperature, hammered or rolled into thin sheets. Through repeated hammering, annealing, and engraving, the metal is skillfully shaped into intricate designs and patterns. The process is finalized with fine grinding, polishing, and anti-corrosion treatments. Complex masterpieces often require additional techniques, including welding, piercing, filigree, and inlaying. Wang Hao, a fourth-generation inheritor of this craft, apprenticed under Master Wang Shuping. Specializing in relief portraiture, he has continually innovated the tradition. His creations include playing cards, tea sets, oversized peony sculptures, and vehicle-mounted peony designs, revitalizing this time-honored craft and captivating a broader audience.